Powdered peanut butter could be a great option for you if you're trying to cut back on some of the fat calories in regular peanut butter. And although fat calories in peanut butter aren't necessarily bad or the unhealthy fats, some people just want to cut back on the overall calories just because they're dieting and want to use those calories elsewhere in their diet. So the cool thing about this is 50 calories a serving, only 1.5 grams of fat, and you get 6 grams of protein per those 50 calories in this versus normal peanut butter that's like, smooth and such. You get about 14 to 16 grams of fat per serving, and you only get about 7 to 9 grams of protein. So this is a really viable option. This one's from Walmart, pretty cheap. I think this is about $6 to $8 for this big thing, and you can toss a little bit, as you can see here. They put it in a smoothie. You can do that. I have some in my oatmeal right here. That works really good. You can toss in some yogurt. You can even just put a little bit of this in a bowl, mix it up, and you can make essentially paste your own peanut butter with this powdered peanut butter. And it doesn't taste quite the same. It's probably, I would say, 70 to 80% of what it is, but you can sweeten it up with a little bit of sugar-free syrup. You can add a little bit of cinnamon to it. I'm a huge fan of this stuff. I don't get it all the time, but I got it on stock in my house right now, and it works really good.